In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually log records for calls, notes, emails, or meetings in Hubspot. Keeping track of every interaction with your contacts is essential for staying organized, maintaining clear communication, and ensuring your team is always on the same page. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to log these activities step by step, so you can keep your CRM up to date and accurate. Let's get started. First, head over to the Hubspot homepage and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard. From there, navigate to the CRM section. This is where you'll manage all your customer data and interactions, so it's a great starting point for keeping everything in one place. Next, click on the Contacts option. This will display your entire list of contacts, making it easy to locate the person you're working with. Once you see the contact list, find and select the specific contact you want to log an activity against. This will open their record page, which contains all their details and a timeline of their historical interactions. This timeline is incredibly helpful for reviewing past communications and keeping things in context. Now, on the Contacts Record page, locate the More menu near the top of the activity timeline. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down with several options. From here, select Log a Call. This will open up a form where you can enter the details of your call. Be sure to include key information such as the purpose of the call, the highlights of the conversation, and any action items or follow-ups that came out of it. Adding this level of detail ensures that anyone reviewing the contacts record later will have a clear understanding of what was discussed and what needs to happen next. If you want to log a different type of activity, you can choose from the options available at the top of the same menu. For instance, you can click Email to document an email exchange. In this case, you'll want to summarize the key points of the conversation, include any follow-up actions, and outline the next steps. This helps create a complete picture of your communication and ensures no details are lost. Alternatively, you can click Note to log internal team discussions or brainstorming sessions related to the contact. This is a great way to document important insights or ideas that are relevant to the contact but don't necessarily involve them directly. Be sure to capture the essential points clearly so your team can reference them later. Another option is to select Meeting if you've had a meeting with the contact. Here, you can fill in details about the meeting, such as the topics discussed, decisions made, and any action items that need follow-up. Recording meetings in this way helps you maintain a comprehensive engagement timeline and ensures nothing gets overlooked. You can repeat this process for each activity type as needed to keep the contact's record detailed and up to date. The more thorough you are, the more valuable your CRM becomes as a resource for collaboration and planning. And there you have it. By following these steps, you now know how to manually log calls, notes, emails, and meetings in Hubspot. Keeping detailed records of your interactions will help you stay organized and strengthen your communication with your contacts. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.